One mistake, maybe two, maybe three. Why is it that people are always judging me? When I looked perfect in their eyes, they placed me high somewhere I never asked to rise. But the only one who belongs in a perfect space is our God. No blemish, no need to erase. Yeah, I slipped, I stumbled, I fell. Can you take my neck off that chopping block as well? Guess what? I'll make more, 'cause I'm in. He helps me through. As Christians, as humans, three in his wake. But God didn't call us to throw the stone. He called us to love, to make it known that in this life, we all will break, we all will stumble, we all will make one. Thank you for listening to Sharp's Corner. Remember, grace looks good on